Is that thing rolling?
Yes! I think.
Is there a little timer on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Today, I will show you how I cook steaks. Now, today we are going to be cooking ribeye. It'll be done in about 8 to 12 minutes. Right now, I will put some oil into the pan.
And since he's left it on for this entire time, it's going to boil up really, really quickly.
Don't mind her. She's just enjoying the time because I get to cook. And she doesn't. You know, oil. That'll work.
Olive oil would be better.
Well, what is the olive oil?
Or saffron oil.
What is saffron oil?
Safflower. Or veggie oil, which I see right on the side. There you go.
You want me to use this?
Yeah, might as well. Just don't use too much of it. Capful should be enough. Coat the pan.
Huh?
Coat the pan.
It's already coated.
Run the oil. Oh, there you go.
Alright. Put this over a little bit above a medium heat. Putting it away.
Make sure you cook a veg too.
I'm just cooking steak, honey.
You're gonna cook a veg too.
I want to cook a steak, honey.
You're cooking a vegetable too.
I'm cooking a steak there, honey.
You're going to cook a vegetable.
Now, we cook for 4 minutes.
Actually, could have found a lot. Pull out a veg.
Too many vegetables.
Bullshit! Yes, there are some.
Remind me to bleep that out later.
Zap them.
Huh?
Zap them.
I'll zap you.
Put them in a microwave. You can't use the mushrooms. They gotta be thrown away.
I'm not looking for mushrooms. Honey.
What are you looking for? Actually,
Something to drink.
that actually feels good. We need to get more milk, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
This is the picture of a man who actually knows how to cook. I have trained him well.
Yeah, sure you have.
This is what happens when he gets trained correctly.
I trained you correctly.
You know, you should have Ruby Gloom as the background music.
Ruby Gloom.
Yep.
Cute.
That beat.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I can only see your torso. By the way, thank you for making him actually cook for 3 nights a week. It really helps. I really appreciate it.
Huh?
Now make sure you cook all 4 steaks, because that's leftovers for you for tomorrow. Yeah, it normally helps if you have your tools already ready, but he's not very good at doing that. Oh, I'm enjoying this. Now the next meal he'll make will probably be scampi.
Huh? I'm making scampi?
Yes. We have the supplies for it.
Scampi.
Yeah.
Alright.
And then the meal after that will be salmon. He'll make baked salmon with a salad and a few other things. With a pesto sauce. Other than artichoke and lemon herb. And lemon pepper. Because for some reason that's very spicy.
This is all I do. Huh?
Now when I cook, we normally have a veg and another side. He's very basic. Watch your mouth, honey. You're on camera. What's wrong? What?
Something to spice your life up with. Where's the cayenne pepper?
We don't have any.
Where's the wasabi?
Don't have any.
There we do.
No, we don't.
There we do.
No, we don't.
You love wasabi.
No, I don't.
You need to see with pistachio ice cream.
That is not me.
Yeah, it is.
Do you want a glass of wine with this?
down in there. They're up here.
For now. Once my foot feels better, I'll pick up, okay?
Huh?
Give me some time for my foot to heal, okay?
Manual wash.
By the way, does it have to be just you cooking, or can it be either of us?
It's just cooking in general.
So it could be me as well.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Yes, damn it.
I'll be doing a lot of cooking then. Yippee fucking skippy.
Doesn't matter anyway. When you take out the sound, most of the sound anyway, it's going to be a 30-second clip.
Cook both steaks, but we're going to have Bear taking and, partaking of it. By the way, someone's got an upset tummy.
Again?
Kitty. And considering where I found it, I'm guessing Rio. Okay. Can I turn this off now? It's 11 minutes.
What do you want?
Give your narrative.
And that's how you cook these beauties. Right there.
It's up.